section. My school name is Yaqra, the school. I am a soldier. Yeah, brave and strong. Yeah, for my country. I am member of an army. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afar. I am studying UKG section. I am a lawyer. A lawyer help people with legal problems. Thank you to all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Azifa. I am studying in UKG B section. My school name is Ekara, the school. I am a policeman. I am protect the people away. Khaki uniform and cap I catch. I choose punish bad people. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Arfa. I am studying in UKG big section. My school name is Iqra School. I am a doctor. I wear a white coat. I work in the hospital. I treat sick people. I give you some medicine that make you better quick.